My name is Josie Emma Turbot. I'm 34 years old and I'm currently studying the foundation degree in Education, Learning and Development in Cardiff and Vale College. I chose Cardiff and Vale College because it gave me the opportunity to be able to learn on a part-time basis, and that supports then my home and work life and the commitments that I already have. I enjoy so much about the course. It's given me opportunities to explore different avenues with regards to childcare and learning and development, some lifelong friends that I've already found, just plenty of opportunities, and it also supports my career that I already have. Smaller class sizes make such a difference. There's only 5 of us on the course, which means it's really personable. It gives plenty of opportunities to explore and a better understanding and more one-on-one time with the tutors, which ultimately then supports your assignment writing. The highlight of my course for me is being able to start the journey that I've wanted to start for such a long time. Being part-time, being a mum and working, it was being really difficult to find the time to be able to do that, but by having the part-time course, it's really given me the opportunities to explore something that I've wanted to do for such a long time. The college has started my journey off academically, which I am thankful for, having the opportunities to be able to explore academically what I've wanted to do for such a long time. What's next for me is to continue with my degree, hopefully get a distinction, and then continue on to the PGC.